A building construction site location and its geographical conditions are very important aspects that needs your attention. In this video you will learn to identify the various types of site based on just making a physical site visit. Welcome to today's topic: types of site. As we broadly classify a building construction site, in the top of the list is a hilly terrain site with continuous layers of hard rocky strata. It's densely packed and mostly contains deposits of igneous or sedimentary rocks. Such sites pose a huge challenges while executing a building foundation works. You need heavy machinery like jackhammer mounted excavator to disintegrate big rocks both on and down the existing ground level. Physically, you can notice stone quarry or reach out to existing building owners to understand the site's soil conditions. Other ways to identify such conditions includes excavating sample pit in any part of the site. Maybe you may find loose deposits of soil in the beginning to feet of excavation, rest you will find layers of dense rocky strata. Even in some sites you may face challenges of steep slope with uneven surface, making it difficult to map the project site. In this picture, you will find laterite soil, also popularly known as morum. Among stone quarry operators, these are commonly utilized by cutting off equal-sized blocks for building masonry works purpose, and its crushed form are used as backfilling soil. Next in the line is a wet site. It's just reverse to a hilly terrain, lying well in the down areas with 100% water-saturated conditions. In this picture, covering one of our work site, a water pondage scenario, making it difficult to execute construction work. Such kind of water stagnant conditions may prevail in peak summer as well. In majority of conditions, the wet areas can be found in low-lying areas and areas with high water level. In such cases, the soil stability is a major concern, as the soil-bearing capacity of soil is very low. Such soils are mostly black cotton soil or popularly called as peat. In some cases you may also find sandy or silty conditions as well due to weathering deposition of soil from upstream side. Although its geographical conditions and sometimes overcrowding and massive urbanization causes such water stagnant conditions. Even though in some cases, soil conditions are good for building construction. But better way is to conduct the soil test to classify the deep soil conditions and find out the soil bearing capacity before preparing structural blueprints of a building. In this picture, you may find cracks throughout the soil surface. In peak summer, you may get deceived by the way, making it look ideal for foundation works, but such soil conditions are quite a big trap. Such soil conditions consists of clay or black cotton soil, basically expansive type, which may lead to serious threats of building consolidations, leading to severe structural cracks and sometimes collapsing of the entire building. Beware of such kind of site, never ever go for standard footing, always opt for friction piles. Next in the line is disposal site, previously a landfill or dump yard, you may say. It's the worst ever kind of site, in comparison to other three types of site. You may find such sites rarely though. Sometimes, certain low-lying area are designated space for landfill. Once it fills up to a standard ideal level of nearby geographical terrain, then it is backfilled with soil and prepared for real estate plotting. Certain low-lying landfill have a depth of above 100 meters. Such kind of sites poses an open challenge while executing the foundation works. Landfills mostly contain both organic and inorganic solid wastes. The organic wastes get converted into humus or peat, and inorganic wastes remain compressed. Such disposal site doesn't have any bearing strength to hold any structural dead load. So, better to avoid such sites while land purchase. In case you are liking the location or purchased it wrongly, then complete replacement of the landfill is a suitable option till you find a sturdy base. These are few more sites for examples. These are mostly municipality-designated open spaces. Next and last in the list is an ideal site. This picture defines an example of a perfect ideal site for building construction job. The best features of an ideal site includes well-leveled ground, no trace of water pondage, well-demarcated, and ideal soil condition with average soil-bearing capacity. Even a good natural slope helps drain out the water from the plot. To add to ideal conditions, elevated existing ground level in comparison to road level is just an amazing scenario. Hope you understood the concepts of various types of site as per physical conditions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Up next, preparation of site visit. Do like, share and subscribe our channel Build Club.